NXT's fabrication shop is composed with metal transformation and assembly and testing. So what makes us different is the design-build approach. So clients don't need to show up with drawings because all they have to do is tell us their needs, and then with our engineering department, we can provide those drawings to our workshop. Engineers will provide the plans to our workshop, and then the workshop will take it from there. So depending on the needs, we are capable of doing pipe or tube cutting, bending, machining, welding, for instance, MIG welding, TIG welding, and orbital welding, polishing, quality control, then assembly, and then testing. So what makes it like a personalized offer is that we are very agile from engineering to the workshop. We can make modification on the fly, and we can sometimes start fabrication before some of the drawings are even submitted. Our workshop can tackle small projects or bigger ones. The limitation is basically the footprint that we can ship. So we can build skids or just sub-assembly of bigger modular system that we can ship to construction sites. The key component of our workshop at NXT is a good communication that allows us to work with precision and ingenuity.